All right, everybody, round two with the Blackstone here. Still trying to learn it, taking some advice from my last post where I had some more experienced Blackstone folks chime in. I'm still not 100% sold on this 22 inch. Everybody on there that liked their Blackstone had a 36 inch, but we'll see because I'm really interested in that 17 inch. So we're going to give it a shot today. We're going to cook beef and chicken stir fry. Let's see what happens. All right, so here's one of the problems that I have is a lot of people say have a cool side, have a hot side. With this thing being so small, I can't really get a hot side and a cool side. As you can tell, got one burner all the way off and another one on low, cooking the heck out of that chicken. So if you have a smaller Blackstone and not a big one, and you got some tips on how to do this, let me know. Right here is a special blend of seasoning that I got. I'd love to tell you what it is. If you donate to our Just Buy Me a Coffee, a minimum of $1, I'll give you the recipe. The link is in the description. It's really good. It's worth $1. Okay, so I was trying the hot side, cool side, right, to get this thing to work. Started cooking my vegetables. The hot spot moves over in the middle. So, experienced grillers with Blackstones, let me know what I'm doing wrong down in the comments. All right, guys, so I had to cover it up sooner than I probably should, not letting it cool down, but it started raining and I sit here and worked on this thing to try to make it right. So hopefully everything will be good. It's planning on using this thing every day this weekend to get better at using it. Seriously, if you have any tips, comments, suggestions, please let me know in the comments. And I'm going to go inside and eat this food.